And yes, you can. Hi friends, I'm Les Mood, your host. Welcome to the Energy Independent Show, where we cover product reviews, interviews, and hot news. According to the New York Post, Amazon gets FAA approval to deliver packages by drone. Amazon just got one step closer to sending flying robots to your front door, and that will be not much needed packages like toilet paper or diapers. The Federal Aviation Administration officially designated the e-commerce colossus an air carrier on Monday, paving the way for Amazon to start testing its plans to drop off packages within 30 minutes. Amazon said it plans to use its newly acquired air carrier certificate to start testing customer deliveries with drones. The company's drone deliveries, which are still in the development stage, are expected to be limited to packages of 5 pounds or less. Z-Prime says that last week's grid emergency in California put us all to the test in a wide variety of ways. Customers heeded calls from many utilities and helped keep the lights on across the state. We shouldn't need a crisis, though, to build a stronger partnership. We shouldn't require customers to make sacrifices to solve the problem. Demand response programs made the difference between continued services and rotating outages. But with fewer than 10% of our residential customers participating, these programs are still only a fraction of the potential that technology can give us. Scaling demand response with technology available today, like smart thermostats, will provide more grid flexibility and can be implemented without requiring significant discomfort for the individual customer. According to Euractiv, EU to launch Raw Materials Industry Alliance. The European Commission will announce the launch of a new industry alliance this week with a view to building a complete EU supply chain for raw materials like lithium, which are seen as critical for the bloc's transition to digital and green technology. It's not just batteries that we need these scarce raw materials for. It is also for what I would call the economy of the future. We're talking about windmills, photovoltaic panels, we're talking about electronics and robotics. Maros Sefcovic, the European Commission Vice President, told journalists during an online briefing on August 27th. Where we clearly stand and or should aspire to be a leader is on sustainability, he said, explaining that consumers want the whole story on electric vehicles, including the sustainability of the minerals that are used to build the batteries. According to reneweconomy.com, big battery costs have reached a tipping point, and gas is struggling to compete. Batteries are usurping the role of gas in the power system. Grid-scale battery usage is increasing rapidly, and battery cost deflation is faster than wind or solar. Gas companies are finally starting to see this transition and to act. Gas is struggling to compete with batteries, and gas prices globally are at historic lows. Increasingly, wind and solar projects are being co-located with batteries. These types of hybrid projects that totally exclude the gas are the future of the power system. The continued decline of gas as a fuel source for power generation looks assured. Power Ledger says landmark carbon neutral development to deliver 50% savings on strata levies. Residents in a planned new apartment complex in Fremantle will save 50% on their annual strata levies under a landmark renewable energy partnership between technology company Power Ledger and developer OP Properties. The apartment owners within Montreal Commons will be able to sell excess solar electricity they generate back to the 670 kilowatt hour on-site battery using Power Ledger's energy trading platform. During times of peak demand, they can then buy back electricity as required from the on-site battery at an agreed upon price. And that's it for the Hot Energy News, brought to you by Coben Systems and in partnership with SPI, ESI, North American Smart Energy Week. Thank you for joining us. The revolution is here. Feel free to like, comment, share, and follow, and we will see you soon.